Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lucky Nights Let's Play series. So don't mind me, I'm just trying to wire our farm to our power supply. Okay, so that should fit there. Then we just, I would actually want to bring this out a block. So you can put that there. And the redstone receiver I'll put here. Okay, facing the right way. Okay, so basically I need to get these canola seeds. I need to get them to my power supply. I thought what better way than to use this. Oh, let me fix this. Wrong hammer. I think you need to use the immersive engineering hammer, which is crucial. There we go. Okay. Right, so we're gonna put output for this canola, and this thing should pump in canola. Insert. Oh, that's the problem. Insert doesn't have a work with redstone. Okay, so we don't put you here. We put you here. And I'll tell you why in a minute after I slept. Right, so I got myself some insulated redstone cables. So if we could rotate this. So there. And it needs to go here. So this thing is going to be insert and extract. But insert extract with a redstone signal. This should be in out. Yeah, fine. That's channel 1. And this thing should just be insert, filter, and canola. Right. So that thing should be pooping out canola. Over here, we got this. Okay, so we need to get, I'll put a chest here. Get the red, okay, then we use a dropping conveyor belt to hop with the canola oil in there. Can we go down quickly? Okay, so down here I'm placing a inventory checker, and oh no, I need to destroy that bottom thing, that top thing. Okay, so basically I want the whole thing to be filled with canola, but what's gonna happen is when the canola actually fills up and we have a backlog of canola oil, it's still gonna keep on sending canola through. That's why I'm putting the inventory checker here. So when this slot is full, it'll emit a redstone signal and stop sending, so the rest of the canola can fill these. And this, I believe, is number 24. So when inventory 23, did we make it 23? Okay, 23 has canola in it, it'll emit a redstone signal. Let me get a redstone to demonstrate, then we can use the redstone alloys. Right, if we put the redstone here and 23 has canola in it, it should emit a redstone signal. 23, which one is 23? It's gonna emit a redstone signal. Really? Oh, this thing needs to be rotated. Okay, so if 23 has it'll emit a redstone signal, then we're gonna place the redstone transmitter over here. And if we rotate him, I guess we can leave the redstone there. This thing will emit a redstone signal over there. I'm not gonna test it with the redstone. Okay, I did not need that. Okay, so it's gonna emit a redstone signal here, and it's gonna turn on this thing to extract canola oil over here. So let's switch it on. Okay, so right, if we put this thing to insert, it should start spitting out the canola oil. Nice. Okay, now we need to go over here and quickly set this up. Run. Okay, so we put this here. And we put a item conduit here. And extract. Insert. Okay. Well, I'm debating if I should lower this like to 22 or something. I'm gonna lower it to 20. Just to be safe. Okay, so when 20, so this should start coming in. We can block this off, so no mobs come in. Okay. Okay, so it's going in. And it's filling this. Now what's gonna happen if this fills? Let's see. I actually don't know, so I wanna see. Okay, so it's backlogging. Okay, nice. I'll give this a few minutes of running and I'll tell you guys if it works. Right. I placed a hopper there so I can see what happens when this thing fills up. And it stopped sending. Okay, now it started sending again. Okay. So it's working. Kind of. I think it's working. I'll probably check later in the episode. Now the only thing that can disturb this is if mobs walk by and they pick up the items. So we gotta do something to stop that. Alright, I made two things. I made the experience obelisk just to store my XP in. And we're gonna put these things down. This basically, it says it prevents mob from spawning. So in this whole area, no mobs would spawn. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention I changed our base if you haven't noticed. I put down a bunch of apple oak saplings and I finished this. That's basically, I did some decorations and I like it. Alright, let's get back to the build. So I want to put one over here and one adjacent, like in the same line as that one. So that's going to be like here. I want to put one there and one here. So this will cover a general area of our base. And let's see this. Okay, so this will surely keep out a bunch of mobs. So we don't get bothered by any of them. Alright, I think it looks good enough. Let me set it up. Okay, I made it look pretty. But out of all the things I did now building this is the one thing I feared. See how this one is getting power? And if we go over to that one, he's not getting power. That's because our wiring system is way too low. It's not enough. We need to upgrade it, so I'm gonna replace the wires. So this one is working, and we also need to, I captured in between episodes, I captured a few souls of mobs, so we can put it in there. So right, let me wire up our base. Alright, it's nighttime. So we need to get this in place. I'm using the medium voltage, because it can carry a bit more. And, okay, I messed that up. Alright, get rid of you. If we attached you over here to this relay, this is just medium voltage relays, that's all. And up. So this thing should be receiving power. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so we need to throw in a zombie, skeleton, spider, creeper. No, not another zombie. A witch. Spider, creeper, skeleton. I haven't caught a witch again. I only caught one witch, and it looks like a zombie pigman decided to join us. Spider, skeleton, zombie. Okay. So this thing should work now. Yeah. Okay, there's a but I think he just spawned like before I placed in this stuff. Let's kill him. Die. Die, creeper. Die. 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 Okay, creeper is dead. Alright, so we won't have problem with mobs, but pigmen can get through. I think it's because the one door is missing, which is also weird. Right. Okay, so lastly, I think this is lastly. I don't know what else I have to do. I prepared some bricks over here. Let's just put those in there, because I want to start getting steel. I did some automation just to get some blanks over here. It's basic. I want some steel. So I made the blast bricks, which is quite easy. It's blaze powder, brick and nether brick. So this will create our steel. Okay, let's get the other one. Let me get this one in. Okay, so if we right click them, and right click them, then we throw in our coal. Don't you accept coal? Please don't tell me you only accept coal coke. Okay, let's throw in the iron. The iron goes in. The iron goes in. Please don't tell me you only accept coal coke. Let's get coal coke. Going there. So where is our coal coke? Okay, that's normal coal. Let me find our coal coke. Got the witch. So we can put the witch in here. Nice. Guys, I can't find my coal coke. I believe... Let me read up on it. So I can use charcoal. It says only high carbon fuels may be used for the furnace. Specifically coal coke and charcoal. So charcoal would do it. So we got coal coke in here. Let's get the coal coke out. And get this in here. So this is just basically to get everything up and running. I'll rather not make coal. I'll make coal coke. I'm debating if I should put another one this side. I don't know. Should I? Shouldn't I? Because this is gonna take forever to create. But I think we have some charcoal up here. Where is the charcoal? Okay, here's some charcoal. Okay, so this should go down. Just go down. Right. So we got charcoal. That should be enough. I just want to get steel because I'm planning on a build and I need steel. A build that will help us with resources, not ores and such, but just the basic sand, gravel and glass, so we can have enough of those if we want to build. Also, one thing I want to do is I want to get 7 of these because our farms are getting overclocked or filled up. Right. No. Okay. So we get 1 in here. Did I put it in? Okay, there, and 4 over here. So this system is working nicely. I found out something. So if we go to here, okay, if you go to here, this thing is gonna start emptying from the 50 down. When this is empty, it's gonna start putting in again. But I'm seeing like over here, here's still extra canola oil. So that I think should be enough. And power wise, we're still doing good. We have a not 16 buckets. We are empty out of canola. Okay, so we need to get more crystallized oil. Let me think of a way to get the crystallized seeds in here. Alright, so I got a basic automation set up. I'm gonna test if it works now. So let me get this in and I'll explain to you now. So I put a fluid monitor here to monitor the fluid collector. So I said when the fluid is less than 50%, it will emit a redstone signal, which would turn this thing on, which is on deactivation mode. And if we throw in the canola seeds, the pressure plate activates that, and you can just hopper that in by whitelisting it there. And the range collector should be able to. Does this also need power? Let me check. I do not think it needs power. Yeah. So is the range collector like wait? Alright, so the range collector actually needs to be ranged. So we can just put it down here. Actually no, I want to put it a block in between, like here. So we whitelist crystallized seeds and we use a conduit put it in here. So basically what makes this even better is this thing will always extract out of the first slot. It'll never use the other slot. So if that thing is filled, that should be fine now. The range collector might pick that also up. Ooh, that might be a problem. Okay. Well, I guess we can just... I'll sign off here next episode. And... Okay, so the range collector doesn't work this far. Okay, so... That might be helpful. If we put the range collector down over here. And we whitelist this. It should leave that. It should leave this. Okay, get some crystallized oil and put that there. Will it drop? Yes. Okay, so the range collector doesn't work that far, but this automation should work, and we can easily just put the half of this in. So that's perfect. So we just need to loop a cable over here. Okay, I want to switch this thing off. Okay, so we can get the cable. It's not gonna stop, is it? Wait. Wait. Let me put it there. Okay. It stopped, thank you. So we just put this over here. Right. And that's gonna be insert. So this will always have enough. So we can put this here and just run away. It should have, yeah. Nice. So when this thing is more than 50%, it'll switch off this thing, which I took away. So when it's more than 50%, it should switch it off. We can see when it, no. Okay, so this thing should stop at any moment. Yes. So it stopped. You can see there's still some canola seeds in there, but it's... So we automated this process. That's cool. So this thing will always have enough. And I can just loop a wire down here, which I don't see. But I think that's it for the episode, guys. Thank you for watching. And stay awesome. Bye.